Let's talk assets. Can I write these off as a tax deduction?
Okay, I am not an accountant or a tax lawyer, so please take this with as a big, broad disclaimer.
Yeah.
Yes, things that you generally need to do business, like that you need to for your business, that are bigger purchases like computers, furniture, high quality camera,
Yeah,
you know,
just
things like
equipment that you need.
Exactly. So yes, you can write those things off. I know there's certain things that you can write off straight away, but then other things are subject to depreciation. You would have to just check with your accountant what you can claim, what is going to be depreciated. They can help you out with that one.
Definitely seek
Yes.
specific advice for your case.
Yeah, from an accountant.
Yes.
This one kills me, and I still don't know why, but inventory is not technically an asset. So the products that you sell, they are not an asset. So that's why you don't want to have much inventory on your books at the end of year, at 30 June, which is why a lot of companies have like end of financial year sales, because they're trying to clear out as much inventory as they can, so that that's not on their books, because that's going to get taxed at tax time.
That explains so much of the sales.
Yes, that's why you have those hectic sales in the financial year, 30 June for Australia.
What if I need really expensive machinery for my startup?
Well, I would recommend looking into leasing. We haven't done this, but I think it's a really good idea, especially with like computers or like machinery. Had a laser cutter, spent about 16 grand on.
Yeah, wow.
And that was not even, it was second hand or third hand. I think normally they're about 40, 50 grand to buy new. And we thought we were going to be using it all the time. And we did use it a fair bit, but it was the operating time. We were spending all day like operating it. We realized we don't really want to spend all our days doing this. And then we weren't really getting the use out of it. So we ended up selling it. But just try not to make that mistake. If it's a really big purchase, look into seeing if you can lease it. See if you like it. See if you actually need it as much as you thought you did.
Can I deduct things like my home office expenses, my car, electricity, bills and things like that?
You can deduct a portion of it, I believe. I know with like working at home becoming like a really big thing now, the government's been cracking down on stuff like that. So your accountant's going to be able to guide you and tell you what you can claim, but it's generally like a portion of your internet, computer, your home office, personal use, and a portion would be like business use. So you probably won't be able to claim the whole lot, but you'll be able to claim a little bit if you're working from home. In terms of car, you can sort of claim mileage for when you're going, I think, to and from work. I think you can claim about 5,000 kilometres, but you've got to be able to actually note like...
You got to log it.
Yeah, you should have a logbook. I think anything over 5,000 kilometres, you're definitely going to have a logbook. Check with your accountants on these ones, because they will know the ins and outs and the little extra bits that they can claim for you. You can purchase a car through the business. Just talk to your accountant, because I know sometimes there might be even tax. I'm not sure, or buying it for employees. I don't know. It's sort of might work out better to just purchase it in your own name rather than through the company, because there's certain things you got to look out for. I know there's extra concessions if you're buying an EV.